Kia ora, friends. How are you? We could say, how else can we say hello? We can say talofa lava, ni hao, konnichiwa, maloa lele, hello. What's another way? You tell me. What's another way we can say hello? So right now, my friend Aya and I, who's outside with me, enjoying some sun with her bed outside, we thought we would sing you 2 songs. You can sing with me. You can sing with me. So I thought we could do the first song. We could do Wind the Bobbin Up and clap your hands. And then the second song we could do is Roly Poly, up, up, up. Should we do those 2? And then you can help teach mum and dad and your brothers and sisters those songs. Okay, ready? Should we do Wind the Bobbin Up first? So we'll do it slow the first time, and then we'll do it real fast the second time. Okay? Sound good? Okay. Ready? Toru, fa. Wind the bobbin up, pull, pull and clap your hands. Wind it back again, pull, pull and clap your hands. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knee. Yeah, good work. All right. So second time we do it, we're going to do it really fast. Okay, you ready? Toru, fa. Wind the bobbin up, pull and clap your hands. Wind it back again, pull and clap your hands. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knee. Whew, that was so fast. Good work. Well done. All right. The second song is Roly Poly. And I think we all kind of sing it differently. We all kind of have different words. So my version of Roly Poly might be a wee bit different to yours, and that's totally fine. So let's see if we can remember Roly Poly. Okay, you ready? Toru, fa. Roly Poly, up, up, up. Roly Poly, down, down, down. Roly Poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, hands behind your back. Na 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 na. So that's my version, and it's probably way different to yours, and I've probably forgotten a whole lot of words too. But that doesn't matter because we've been able to stretch up high, and we've been able to stretch down low, and we've been able to stretch to the sides. It's almost like a song. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? There's a bonus track for you. All right, guys, I'm going to go and have some kai. Before we have kai, what do we need to do? We need to haroia ringa ringa. We need to wash the backs of our hands, and we need to wash our thumbs, and we need to wash our fingers like this and like this. And then, what do we do before we have kai? We sing our Karakia kai, don't we? And to start our Karakia kai, what do we do at preschool? We put our left hand in the air, put your right hand in the air, put your left hand on your elbow and your right hand on your elbow, and let's sing Karakia. Me Karakia tatau e moe te kai tamariki ma. Toru, fa. E I o a, whakapai, e nei kai. Hei o ranga mō matu tēnana āmenei, āmenei. Tino pai. Enjoy your kai. I'll see you later. Fa.